Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a healthy version of the broccoli cheddar soup that I usually get from Panera Bread. They have it in that delicious bread bowl and you just rip the bread off and dip it in that soup. Oh my god. So no worries, we're going to do a healthy version just as delicious. So for this recipe, I'm going to go ahead and use some frozen carrots, 3 bags of broccoli florets. You're going to need some cheddar cheese. This is some extra sharp, so we don't need too much. We have some dried mustard here. This dried mustard adds a little spice to it. It's delicious. Some garlic, some smoked paprika, salt, pepper. You're going to need 1 onion, a yellow onion chopped up, some heavy cream in place of the flour, and some butter and some chicken broth. And then we're going to use our handheld blender to mix our soup up. So let's get started on our delicious broccoli and cheddar soup. Okay guys, let's check on our soup. So that is done. Smells so good. So that's been simmering for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's time to eat. That is delicious, guys.